The Reddit trader phenomenon, it's not just happening here in the United States, it is happening overseas as well. Our Tom Belger has been watching it in Europe, where there have been some short squeezes and market dislocations as well, Tom.
Morning. Yeah, certainly some continued ripples this side of the Atlantic from the GameStop saga today. It looks like, as you said just now, the Reddit crowd's moving to silver. That's made mining giants Fresnillo and Hochschild two of the biggest risers on the stock exchange in London. It looks like there's not actually any short interest in those two, but the spillover of that rush into silver having an impact there. The latter, Hochschild, was up more than 8% yesterday, and the same again today. There's clearly wider jitters as well on the markets about this week's drama. I think that's part of why you can see Europe's leading indices taking a hit today, off more than 1% across the board. I saw also the VStoxx volatility index, not a very well-known one, but for Europe's leading stocks, that's at its highest level since November. And the UK finance watchdog is warning investors to be careful with everything that's going on. But I think I've got to say, what we've seen here, really nothing like what you're seeing where you are, and nothing like the scale of the squeeze. I think probably mainly as levels of short interest just aren't as high as they are in the US. I think also the bigger factor clearly today hitting European stocks is the delays we've seen to vaccine rollouts and investor jitters about that, combined with the resurgent COVID cases on the continent. And you can see even in the past few days, the tensions seem to be escalating between the EU and AstraZeneca over the delays to its supplies to the EU, the EU pressuring it to deliver on its promises. And some other big corporate news just worth mentioning lastly as well. The London Stock Exchange just finally completed, after it got the green light from EU regulators, its $27 billion purchase of Refinitiv. And then in Sweden, the retail giant H&M, it's taken a big hit in the stock market there, plummeting profits. But the telecoms firm also in Sweden, Ericsson, saw a big leap in stocks today as its earnings beat expectations. Decent demand, looks like, for 5G products seems to be helping it out there. Julie.
Tom, thanks very much. Lots to watch over there.